Our Hiligaynon word tulog means to sleep. Tulog. Tulog. Nagtulog ang lapsag. It means the baby slept. So lapsag is like an infant or a baby. So nagtulog ang lapsag. Nagakatulog pa si mama. It means that mom is still sleeping. Pa, it means still, and then mama is mom or mother. Nagakatulog pa si mama. Nagakatulog pa si mama. Magatulog na ako subong. I will sleep now. Subong is now. And then ako is I, na is already. So magatulog na ako subong. I will sleep now. Hindi ka magtulog sa tunga sang trabaho. It means do not sleep in the middle of work. So hindi means do not or don't, and then tunga is like at the center or at the middle, and then trabaho is work. So hindi ka magtulog sa tunga sang trabaho. And that is all for our Hiligaynon word tulog, which means to sleep. Tulog. Tulog.